Listen up, my American people. Dating a Jamaican person is not for the weak. Or having a friend or something that's Jamaican is not for the bumbleclad weak to pussyclad. You see, my husband, him so honest and aggressive that if me put on, if me cook something and it is good to me. It's American food. But every time I eat it, be too much salt or it too fresh. But I like this be. Like, calm down to pussyclad, dog. You can't just eat the food and shut the fuck up. Just eat the food with a smile on your face. And just tell me after you're done, B. Next time, you need to put more salt. Or something. You don't have to tell me, B, this nasty to pussyclad. I not like this bumbleclad food. You don't have to tell me that. Dog, just calm down. Please. Just be nice, because sometimes him I hurt my feelings, that because him so aggressive. But him not mean it in no way. And I know that. But it hurt my feelings still. And I just want him to be soft. Like, him not romantic. Like, bro, if I try to feed this man a strawberry, B, you think send me a body boy? Like, brother, calm down. I just want to be romantic. But the dog's so tough. You see, one time I have one Jamaican friend. She aggressive, you fucked too. So one day, me and her a text. She say, why your back so big? I said, what? What do you mean why my back so big? You alright? She said, oh, a joke, me run. I just want to know why your back so big though. I just look on the message and my feelings are hurt. I said, damn, my back must be that big for her to point it out. So being with Jamaican people or around Jamaican people is not for the weak, dog. I get my feelings hurt so many times, them not even know. Because that's how them stay. So, guys, if we could be a little more gentle and romantic, please. And a lot of Jamaican women are full of attitude too. So, I need you to come down with that as well. Because I not do you nothing. I love you. I love Caribbean people. So you don't have to give me attitude. But that's all I'm have to say. Just be soft, guys. You're so aggressive. Just be so soft.